It's your boy Shades here, BBAI 708. We're headed to 10. That's my price target, short term. Longer term, or I should say closer to a mid swing, would be about 15. Longer term, 25 plus. So, longer term meaning a year plus. Some people, for some reason, think longer term, oh, it means 2 months. Because to them, longer term is a very short time frame actually, but they're trying to get rich quick. So to them, longer term just means tomorrow. Like, it's ridiculous. Short term to them means like on the 3 minute time frame, but that's not what we're talking about. We're talking about the higher time frames here. Let's work our way down and let's go over the analysis here. So yeah, still inside that bullish channel on the yearly time frame. My prediction is we break out of that and we finally hit 10. If we break 10, we go to 15. I'm pretty confident about that. I've seen too many stocks, APLD, Soundhound, Serve Robotics, a bunch of other ones that break out above 10 and finally see 15. So Soundhound right now is headed to 25, I'm sure, but we're not here to talk about Soundhound. Quarterly time frame, that looks that looks primed for a breakout as well on the quarterly. Monthly time frame, you can see on the monthly time frame it's inside a wedge. So if you bought at around 550s where I was buying, you were buying literally the bottom of the trend line. So that was a good buy. We would expect it to go to the top of the trend line. So what, around 750? And then from there, either we get rejected or we break out and go to 10. That's really what it would be here, which would be about a nice 100%er if you were buying it around the purple line. Weekly time frame. Was there news today? Yeah, my sleep schedule's all over the place right now, so I don't know if anything significant happened. No, there's nothing significant. Okay, so if you guys recall, we're in a bull run. Number one. Number two, because we're in a bull run, any pattern like this, where normally it would be 50-50, because that's what a wedge is, it's 50-50. Either we're going to go up higher or we're going to come down lower. But, in my opinion, because we are in a bull market, we would expect this to break out, especially with the kind of movement we're seeing right now. Like, sellers are not showing up. If we go to the daily, where are the sellers? They tried to show up today, but buyers showed up. So that's all you need to know. The fact that we haven't had a red day since 1, 2, 3. Wow, really? Since September 15. 7 days now, or 5 trading days. We have not gotten any significant selling pressure. No red days yet, so buyers are still in control. Didn't Open Door hit $10? Yeah, Open Door hit $10. Like I said, I don't know why, but there's these this magnet to big round numbers, which that's just, I don't know why, but it just is that way. So I think $10 is absolutely in play, easy 100%er right there. So nothing has changed here. We're still moving. I think it is. I think this is the most bullish movement we've had compared to last week. I mean, not last week. Look at this here. Look at this move. We touched the purple line. Big red day here. Another red day. Another red day. So on the previous pump, back to the top of this wedge, as it was beginning to form, we had several red days on the way up. 1, 2, 3, 4 red days. Whereas here, I mean, we're not really seeing that. And these red days are big. Look at this big red day. Look at this red day. Look at this red day. That was a small red day, but uh, I mean, if you want to count these two, that's fine. But they're like sideways red days. Like they just straddled the purple line. Once we started moving away from the purple line, it's literally just green day after green day after green day after green day. Like there's a stark difference between this pump and this pump. This is a weaker pump with more sellers. This one, sellers are just not even, they don't even have ammunition. So that's why it's just kind of, everything's just kind of lining up for that big breakout out of this wedge. That's really what it comes down to. I don't know why people look at bearish patterns or 50-50 patterns in a bull market and think, oh, it's time to short it. But that doesn't make sense though. We're in a bull market. Bull market means we go higher. And so if you're shorting in a bull market because you see a bearish pattern or a 50-50 pattern, you're kind of like you need to learn how the stock you need to learn stock market basics. You need to learn why like if it was a bear market, sure, I'd be like, man, this wedge is probably going to break down because you have in a bear market you have all the selling pressure to fight against. Right now, buyers have all the momentum, especially after Fed rate cuts. Buyers have all the momentum. Oh yeah, and that politician is definitely in the green. So, but yeah, either way, even if it weren't for the politician buying, this thing, it's just set up for such a big run. Do we still have the quarterly? Do we still have the cup and handle? Yeah, there's the cup. Oh, man, it looks like the cup is just going to form all the way to 10, and then maybe forms the handle at around 10, pulls back, and then breaks out. I don't know. Maybe we don't even get a handle. Maybe we just do this, boom, and we just go we just get straight through to 15. Because the 15 would be the next big level, as you can see here on the quarterly time frame. So yeah, I don't know. To me, this is too easy. Like sometimes I have to doubt myself. Like no way, am I? Why is this so easy for me? Well, it's easy because I just look at the purple line. Where's purple line? There's purple line on the daily. Buy at the purple line. Don't question it. Just buy. I honestly didn't think we would immediately start moving. Right? I didn't think that because historically, when we come down and touch the purple line, we kind of go sideways for a few months here, and then we get the next pump. But it kind of makes sense that because we're nearing the end of the wedge, it kind of makes sense that it makes sense. Like it makes sense that we did not go sideways for a few months. So congratulations if you bought the dip at the purple line. The simplest strategy ever. Patreon.com/shades and trades if you want to join the Discord. That's it for the video. Oh, shout out to the new people who have joined. They're already making, dude, those NVIDIA calls. If you guys didn't watch my NVIDIA video, buy calls on Nvidia. I'm begging you. I'm on my knees. You know, not no. You shouldn't be on your knees. I'm on my knees telling you right now. Buy Nvidia calls because semiconductors perform very well, specifically Nvidia, for the next 2 months. I'll see you guys in the next one.